Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. If you're new here, this channel helps you spot fake products, misleading ads, and online scams before you waste your money. Today's topic is BioFlora 5-in-1 Floor Cleaner Review. This product claims instant shine, 10-minute fast drying, 3 to 5 days protection, baby safe, pet friendly, and 99.99% sanitization. But the real question is BioFlora legit, or just another overhyped product? Let's find out. BioFlora is marketed as a multi-purpose 5-in-1 floor cleaning solution. According to the ads, it works on tiles, marble, wooden floors, and even kitchen surfaces. They also heavily promote it as safe for babies and pets, which instantly grabs attention. But bold claims don't always mean real results. First red flag. 99.99% instant sanitization. For any product to legally claim this, it usually needs certifications, lab test reports, or government approvals. However, most sellers don't clearly show verified test results on their website or ads. Second issue, 3 to 5 days continuous protection. Regular floor cleaners usually work only at the time of cleaning. Long-lasting protection sounds more like marketing language than proven science. Third red flag, limited genuine customer reviews. Most reviews you'll see are either overly positive, copied, or posted on the seller's own website, not independent platforms. They claim BioFlora is non-toxic and chemical-free, but when you look closely, the full ingredient list is often missing or unclear. If a product is truly baby-safe and pet-friendly, brands usually clearly disclose ingredients and safety certifications, which is not always the case here. So, caution is necessary. BioFlora does not appear to be an outright scam, but it also doesn't fully prove its bold sanitization and protection claims. So our verdict is, buy with caution. If you're expecting medical-grade sanitization or long-term protection, this may disappoint you. Before buying any cleaning product online, check independent reviews, look for real certifications, avoid falling for viral ads and exaggerated claims. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and comment below if you want us to review any other product or website. Stay alert. Stay safe. See you in the next scam review. Thank you.